Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 27, 2023 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 27, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, October 27, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 27, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 68 million pesos for Friday, October 27, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 27, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.